Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can use ChatGPT to write a resume. So for that you will have to open up ChatGPT and make sure that you are giving command to ChatGPT. You give as much possible description or information about you and your job so that ChatGPT helps you out in a better way. So this is the prompt that I typed in order to get this resume template. What I did was just started it with write me a resume for video editing job with the description, and I just copied up this description from the job itself, job posting. So I just copied it from here and pasted it on ChatGPT. And after that, ChatGPT will see that what are the requirements that the recruiter is seeking, and on the basis of that, ChatGPT will give you a resume template which is as similar to that particular job. So you will be able to come up with new resumes for every single job that you apply to. So this way you will be able to make yourself or your resume as relevant as possible with the recruiter's requirement. So this is how ChatGPT wrote it up, and it gave certain places where you can just add up your information. So this way you will be able to just format it and create your own resume, but make sure that you go through it completely word by word. Take ChatGPT as a base and as a structure, and don't take it up as the final product itself. Make sure that you go through it and make changes in it as per your needs and requirements. Only then it will be able to help you out. ChatGPT is quite smart in that way, I would say. So this is how you write resumes using ChatGPT. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.